What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to connect Optimus Futures to TradingView. So all you'll need to do is to get over to your TradingView account. As you can see, we're logged in, and then when you select a chart, you're going to go to the bottom right area. Right here, you can see this arrow pointing up, and when you hover over it, you can see Open Panel. Click on it, and then you have a list of trusted brokers down here. If your window is looking small like this, you just need to go over to the border and increase the size. So here we have trusted brokers. The steps are quite easy, and we'll just need to locate Optimus Futures. And so here we have Optimus Futures. Of course, you'll need to have your Optimus Futures login info, because when we click on this, it's going to say Optimus Futures live demo. So you need to decide what account you're using with Optimus Futures. And if you're using live, you can click and connect, or if you're using demo, it's really much up to you. So click and connect. And this will open a new tab where you'll need to put in your username and password in order to sign in and authorize the connection of your Optimus Futures with TradingView. When you do that, your Optimus Futures will be linked and connected to TradingView. Follow these steps and you will be able to connect them successfully.